Oh, we're starting.
Okay. Kia ora nau mai haere mai, ki te akoranga te reo Māori, e tēnei rā. Welcome to today's Te Reo Māori lesson. Ko kai ana tuku ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Makai tōko ingoa. Every Wednesday we will be presenting a Te Reo Māori lesson to taumata via Google Meets.
Join in with us as we continue to learn Te Reo Māori as a school.
Today we will have two segments to our lesson. First up, our mini lesson.
Then ki waha o te rā, which is saying of the day. Let's get started.
Today's lesson is another lesson in numbers.
But first we need to recap what we learned last week.
Are you ready? Repeat after me. Tahi. Tahi is 1. Repeat after me. Rua. Rua is 2. Repeat after me. Toru. Toru is 3. Repeat after me. Wha. Wha is 4. Repeat after me. Rima. Rima is 5. Repeat after me. Ono. Ono is 6. Repeat after me. Whetu. Whetu is 7. Repeat after me. Waru. Waru is 8. Repeat after me. Iwa. Iwa is 9. Repeat after me. Tiko. Tiko is 10. Don't forget to make numbers above 10, like 11, 15, or 19. There is a simple pattern.
That's right, Makai. Let's say we want to say 11. Well, it goes like this. Tiko mā tahi.
This literally translates to 10 and 1. So a little bit of maths is involved in learning a language too.
Let's practice those, starting with 12. Repeat after me. Tiko mā rua. 12.
Repeat after me. Tiko mā toru. 13. Repeat after me. Tiko mā wha.
Repeat after me. Tiko mā rima.
Repeat after me. Tiko mā ono. 16.
Repeat after me. Tiko mā whetu. 17.
Repeat after me. Tiko mā waru. 18.
Tiko mā iwa. 19. Well done, taumata. But what comes after Tiko mā iwa? 19.
That's right, 20. So how do we say all the teens numbers? Well, just like the teen numbers, there is a pattern to saying all the 10 numbers. 20 is
rua tiko, which simply means 210.
Repeat after me. Rua tiko. Well done.
Repeat after me. Toru tiko. 30.
Repeat after me. Wha tiko. 40.
Repeat after me. Rima tiko. 50.
Repeat after me. Ono tiko. 60.
Repeat after me. Fitu tiko. 70.
Repeat after me. Waru tiko. 80.
Repeat after me. Iwa tiko. 90. Well done, Taumata.
Let's now test what we have learned with our numbers. We will show you the grid on the screen, and each hub will have some numbers to translate into Reo Māori.
We will give you 20 seconds to get ready to work together as a hub, and then we will ask you to share your answers. Ready? Learning coaches, please support your hubs to translate these numbers. You have 20 seconds.
Moa 1, are you ready? You're up first. Please turn on your mic and tell us what the answers are.
Hang on, Mackay, just give them 20 seconds first. But also, I don't know if Moa 1's here, so maybe if Kelsey and Michaela, if your whānau do Moa 2, and Kylie, Veronica and Hannah, if your hub does Moa 1, that would be awesome. Okay, you got 20 seconds.
Do we move? Oh, we gotta wait for them to answer. Make sure to turn on your mics when you know the answer.
We'll start with Kylie and Veronica. If you guys can do Moa 1's one, that'd be awesome. Hey, Kylie, could you guys do Moa 1's one? The 5 and the 10? And then if Kelsey and Michaela's side do the other ones.
Yeah. Right, we'll go again. We did do it, but we weren't off mute. Whoopsie. Okay, this time, team, what is number 5 in Te Reo? And number 10 in Te Reo is? How we go, guys?
Well done, Moa 1.
Moa 2, are you ready? You're up next. Please turn on your mics and tell us what the answers are.
Okay, Moa 2, what is 9 in Te Reo? And what is 12?
Kei te pai, Moa 2.
Matarawa, are you ready? You're up next. Please turn on your mics and tell us what the answers are.
Right, Matarawa, what is 13? And 18?
Tokyo, Matarawa.
Puwhenua, are you ready? You're up next. Please turn your mics on and tell us what your answers are. Ka pai, Puwhenua.
Otanawanuku, are you ready? You're up next. Please turn on your mics and tell us what the answers are.
And Eyes did what? Tahi, ready, all at once. Toru, wha, go.
Tauke o Tanuanuku. And well done, everyone.
Now we're moving to our next segment, Ki waha o te rā.
Ki waha o te rā means saying of the day in Māori. Today's ki waha o te rā is kua marama, which simply means got it. Please note we say the first R sound longer because of the macron.
That's right. It's kua marama, not kua marama.
You can also say this. Ki waha, slightly different, like a question. Kua marama.
So when it's said like that, it means got it, like a way of checking if someone knows something. Here's an example.
Hey Kayana, 33 plus 8 is 41. Kua marama.
Kua marama, got it.
Let's practice saying it together. Repeat after me. Kua marama. Well done.
Now practice saying it like a question. Repeat after me. Kua marama. Ka pai. Kua marama, taumata, you got it.
Well done learning and practicing our numbers today as well.
We look forward to seeing you after the holidays for our next te reo lesson.
Kia pai te rā.